Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in today's video I will show you how to do DIY enchanted rose for Mother's Day. So first of all, you'll need bottle. You have to cut it in half. You're gonna need the upper portion. Now we're gonna make the rose. So first of all, take a square piece. I am not mentioning the length. You can use any type of length as your preference. So you have to fold it 3 or 4 times as you wish. So I have folded 3 times here. If you want to copy mine, you can definitely do it. Then you have to take a scissor and cut it like a curve at the part where there is no fold, means the part where it is openable. So you have to cut that part in circle, so you get the heart kind of effect, means you get a flower kind of thing, like you have 8 petals in one flower. So you have to cut just one in this time. So you have to do the same process to make the inner parts of the rose as well. So if you do the second rose, you have to cut 2 parts. If you do the third rose, you cut 3 parts. Like this you have to make the rose, and you have to stick it with the help of glue. So here I am folding to make the larger part of the rose. Now you have to curve it after you are done making all of the rose parts. Now you have to stick it with the help of a glue, and as you can see, the rose looks like this. And I have taken a stick to make the stem of the rose. It's really very easy. Just cut the end of the rose to make a hole. Now we're gonna make the leaf of the rose. I have taken a cloth bag for making the leaf. I am using just a green cloth bag for using making the leaf. As you can see, you have to do it like this with you have to stick that also with the help of glue. Now we are gonna make the close part of the bottle where it's gonna be closed. So I have taken a newspaper roll and I have curved it, and I have also taken a circle and I am pressing it with the help of a newspaper and cutting it. As you can see, it fits perfectly. Now I'm going to making the end of the rose where the rose is going to be fixed, so it's not movable anymore. So here I am taking glue and I'm going to be sticking inside the a fixed part that I am gonna make. Like here I am showing you. You can see how it is looking really very easy. It's not gonna be moving anymore. Now we are painting the part where we have used newspaper. As you can see, I am done coloring the part, and now we're going to be fixing the bottle to make the glass tube of the enchanted rose. Now I'm going to be just decorating the rose a little bit more, and that's it. Your special Mother's Day gift is ready. Do try it, and bye guys. Meet you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. Hope you're doing great.